On December 27th, Karnataka's Minister for Primary and Secondary Education, Madhu Bangarappa, was convicted in a cheque bounce case by the Special Court for trial of cases against current and former MPs or MLAs. The minister, who serves as a director for Akash Audio Video Private Limited, is involved in a 2011 cheque bounce case and has been directed to pay a fine of 6.96 crore rupees, failing which will result in a 6-month imprisonment. The order was passed by Judge Preet J of the Special Court based on a complaint filed by Rajesh Exports Limited. In 2010, AAVPL borrowed 6 crore rupees from Rajesh Exports Limited. And in July 2011, it issued a cheque for 6.60 crore rupees to repay the debt. The cheque bounced in November 2011 due to insufficient funds, prompting legal action by Rajesh Exports Limited. In 2022, the minister sought relief from the High Court of Karnataka to quash the legal proceedings, but his petition was dismissed. While the case was pending in the High Court, he made a partial payment of 50 lakh rupees to Rajesh Exports. Furthermore, on December 26, 2023, he submitted an undertaking to the Special Court promising to complete the full payment by January 30, 2024. However, the court dismissed this undertaking. Before convicting the minister under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, the court also criticized him for dragging the case. Meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party took a jibe at the minister. R. Ashoka, the leader of the opposition, demanded his resignation and an action from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah.
Education Minister ಪಾಡೆ ಹಿಂಗಾದರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಬೌನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ನಾಮ ಹಾಕಿದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆದೇಶ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆದೇಶ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಅವರ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಮರ್ಥಿಸೋ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಅದೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಲೂಟಿ ಹೊಡೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಒಂಟಿ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಲೂಟಿ ಹೊಡೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಾನು ಆಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೂಡಲೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಯಾರು ಈ ಥರ ಚೆಕ್ ಬೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಬೌನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ, ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ನೈತಿಕ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅವರ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar responded that check bounces in private businesses are common and they will look into it.
ಪ್ರೈವೇಟು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ಕಷ್ಟ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.